We all love going out to eat. It's fun, it's social. But let's be real, those restaurant meals can sometimes leave us feeling less than our best. The good news: eating healthy when dining out is totally doable. With a few simple tricks, you can enjoy your meal and feel great afterwards. Let's get started. The menu is your treasure map to healthy eating. Think of it as your guide to navigating the vast sea of culinary choices. Each section of the menu holds clues to help you make the best decisions for your health and well-being. Before you even think about appetizers, take a moment to scan the entire menu. This initial scan helps you get a sense of what the restaurant offers and allows you to spot healthier options right away. It's like getting a lay of the land before embarking on a journey. Look for keywords like grilled, baked, steamed, or roasted. These words are often indicators of healthier cooking methods that retain the nutrients and flavors of the ingredients without adding unnecessary fats or calories. These usually indicate lighter cooking methods. Grilled vegetables, for instance, can be a delicious and nutritious choice, while baked fish can provide you with essential proteins and omega-3 fatty acids without the extra grease. See a dish described as creamy, fried, or crispy. These terms often signal that the dish may be higher in fats and calories. Creamy sauces can be loaded with butter or cream, while fried foods are typically cooked in oil, adding extra calories. Those might be your cue to explore other options. Instead of a fried dish, you might opt for something grilled or steamed. If you're craving something creamy, consider asking if there's a lighter version available or if the sauce can be served on the side. Don't be afraid to ask your server about ingredients or preparation methods. They're there to help. Servers can provide valuable insights into how dishes are prepared and suggest modifications to make them healthier. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about your food, the better equipped you are to make choices that align with your health goals. Consulting with a nutritionist can also provide you with personalized advice on what to look for on menus, making dining out a more enjoyable and health-conscious experience. Dining out doesn't have to be a challenge to your healthy eating habits. With a little knowledge and some strategic choices, you can enjoy delicious meals that support your health goals. So next time you're handed a menu, remember, it's your secret weapon to a healthier you. Embrace the power of the menu, make informed choices, and savor the journey to better health. Bon appétit! Italian food is a classic, but it can also be heavy on the carbs and cheese. No worries though. Opt for dishes with tomato-based sauces instead of creamy Alfredo or cheesy options. Choose whole wheat pasta when available. It's a simple swap that adds fiber and nutrients. Load up on veggies. Many Italian restaurants offer delicious vegetable sides or salads, and when it comes to protein, grilled chicken or fish are always great choices. Remember, you can still enjoy the flavors of Italy without derailing your healthy eating goals. Mexican food is all about bold flavors. To keep things on the lighter side, start with a broth-based soup or salad instead of chips and salsa. When choosing your main course, focus on dishes with grilled or baked proteins like chicken, fish, or shrimp. Ask for corn tortillas instead of flour tortillas. They're lower in calories and carbs. And don't be shy about asking for salsa, pico de gallo, or guacamole on the side. This way, you control the amount you use. Chinese takeout trading up tradition. Chinese takeout can be a bit of a minefield when it comes to healthy choices. But fear not. There are still plenty of delicious and nutritious options. Start by choosing steamed rice over fried rice. It's a simple swap that saves you calories and fat. Look for dishes that are steamed, stir-fried, or roasted. These cooking methods tend to use less oil. And when choosing your protein, opt for lean options like chicken, fish, tofu, or shrimp. Bonus points for adding extra vegetables to your order. Fast food fixes drive through wellness. We get it. Sometimes you just need a quick and easy meal. Life can be hectic, and the convenience of a drive-through can be a lifesaver. Whether you're rushing between meetings, picking up the kids, or just too tired to cook, fast food can be a quick solution. Even at fast food restaurants, you can make healthier choices. It's all about knowing what to look for and making small adjustments. Many fast food chains have started to offer healthier options to cater to the growing demand for nutritious meals on the go. Look for grilled or baked chicken sandwiches instead of fried options. Grilled chicken is lower in fat and calories compared to its fried counterpart. Plus, it often comes with a whole wheat bun, adding a bit of fiber to your meal. And ditch the mayo and special sauces. These condiments can add unnecessary calories and unhealthy fats to your meal. Instead, try adding mustard or a slice of avocado for a healthier twist. They can be loaded with hidden calories and fat. It's always a good idea to check the nutritional information, which is often available on the menu or the restaurant's website. Being informed helps you make better choices. Many fast food chains now offer salads. These can be a great way to get your veggies in, but be cautious of the toppings and dressings. Just be mindful of the dressing. Some dressings can be high in calories and fat, turning a healthy salad into a calorie bomb. Choose a light vinaigrette or ask for it on the side. This way, you can control how much you use and keep your salad light and healthy. And if you're craving something sweet, opt for a piece of fruit or a yogurt parfait instead of a sugary soda or milkshake. These options are not only lower in calories, but also provide essential nutrients like vitamins and fiber. Making these small changes can significantly impact your overall health and well-being, even when you're on the go. Portion Power Plate It Right. Welcome to this essential guide on mastering portion control while dining out. In today's fast-paced world, eating out has become a common occurrence, but it often comes with the challenge of managing portion sizes. Let's dive into some practical tips to help you plate it right and maintain a balanced diet. Portion control is key when eating out. It's easy to get carried away with the variety of delicious options available, but being mindful of how much you eat can make a significant difference in your overall health. When you first sit down and look at the menu, take a moment to consider the portion sizes of the dishes you're interested in. Restaurant portions tend to be much larger than what we would typically eat at home. This can lead to overeating and consuming more calories than we need. Many restaurants serve portions that are double or even triple the recommended serving size. It's important to be aware of this and plan accordingly. One trick is to ask for a to-go container at the beginning of your meal. By doing this, you can immediately set aside half of your meal for later. This not only helps you control your portion size, but also provides you with a second meal for another time. It's a simple yet effective way to avoid overeating. That way, you can pack up half of your food before you even start eating. This strategy ensures that you won't be tempted to finish everything on your plate just because it's there. It also helps you practice mindful eating, allowing you to savor each bite and enjoy your meal without feeling overly full. Another option is to share a meal with a friend or family member. Sharing not only reduces the amount of food you consume, but also enhances the dining experience by making it more social and enjoyable. You can order a variety of dishes and sample a little bit of everything without overindulging. This is a great way to save money and calories. By splitting the cost of a meal, you can enjoy dining out more frequently without breaking the bank. Plus, sharing meals can lead to trying new dishes and flavors that you might not have ordered on your own. And remember, you don't have to clean your plate. It's okay to leave food behind if you're feeling satisfied. Many of us were taught to finish everything on our plates, but listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues is more important. Eating past the point of fullness can lead to discomfort and unnecessary calorie intake. Listen to your body and stop eating when you're full. Paying attention to how you feel during your meal can help you recognize when you've had enough. Eating slowly and taking breaks can give your body time to signal that it's satisfied. By practicing these portion control strategies, you can enjoy dining out while maintaining a healthy and balanced diet. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also how much you eat. Plate it right, and you'll be on your way to better health and well-being. Order up, customizing for health. Don't be afraid to customize your order. Most restaurants are happy to accommodate special requests. Ask for your dressing on the side. Request extra vegetables instead of starch. Or see if you can substitute grilled chicken or fish for a fried option. Remember, you're the customer. Don't be shy about asking for what you want. The more you customize your orders, the easier it will become to make healthy choices when dining out. Small changes, big impact. Your body will thank you. Making healthier choices when eating out doesn't have to be complicated. Even small changes can make a big difference over time. By being mindful of your choices, you can enjoy your meals out while still prioritizing your health and well-being. Remember, it's all about balance. It's okay to indulge every now and then. Just try to make healthy choices most of the time. Your body will thank you for it. Eating out feeling good. You've got this. Eating out should be an enjoyable experience. By following these tips and tricks, you can make healthier choices without sacrificing flavor or fun. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. So go ahead, enjoy that meal out with friends and family. You've got the knowledge and the power to make healthy choices. Cheers to good food, good company, and feeling your best.